So guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a Crompton Gianna in roasted brown color. So as you can see, this is a 1200 mm ceiling fan. There are 4 ceiling fans fitted. So let me turn them on and show you. So as you can see, all the ceiling fans have started on full speed. So yeah, wait. This is the airflow of this one. Let me show you that one. This is the another one. See, this all are roasted brown, and these are all the fans. As you can see, the airflow is good, and they look like Havells Nicola, which I have. So yeah, these are the fans. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.